She's a beautiful pony, isn't she? Let's start with her hair. Lovely hair she's got. Just like this. A little bit of zigzagging like that. That's looking nice. Going like that to make it some style. Now we can draw her ear just right about there like that. Looking really good. Rainbow Dash has just got a bit of an oval face here. Just draw it around like that. Connect to the ear. Looking nice. A little bit of a squiggly to emphasize the ear there like that. We can give Rainbow Dash a nice happy smile. Kind of at the bottom of the face here like that. That's looking nice. Bit of a tongue. Alrighty now. Rainbow Dash has got big old eyes, doesn't she? Let's draw those eyes right about here. Big oval eyes like that. And another one right on the side of her face, just like that. There we go, that's nice. 3 eyelashes there. And we can draw 3 eyelashes there. Very good, everybody. Now let's draw a big old oval eye within that eye like that. With a nice big highlight here. And then we can make this bit all black. Here we go. Looking good. Same over here. We're gonna do a big old eye within that. Make a big old highlight right about here. And draw this bit all in black. Okie dokie. I like this. This is looking good. Bit of a snout here. Like this. Some nostrils. And we're off to the races, everybody. Now we can draw her body. Pony body right about here like that. That's looking nice. We'll draw her front leg like this. Pretty simple. No toes, just a bit of a hoof like that. And up. Same over here. Right there. Like that. And down like that. There we go, there's our front legs. We'll continue the body up like this. And now we can do our back leg here. One here. Just a little shorter to pretend that we're looking this way. We'll bring that back leg up like this. And then this will be a bum right about there. Looking nice. And that 4th leg will be behind here somewhere. We could draw just a line here maybe just to pretend that that's what it is right about there. Now my little pony Dash. Rainbow Dash has got some wings, doesn't she? Right here like this. Let's draw those wings. Lots of feathery wings like this. 1, 2, 3 here, right about there. And we'll continue the texture of those wings in like this. And there. And then another one right about here just to make them all look nice like that. Very good, everybody. This is looking really sweet. Now we can draw her tail. Oh, here we go like this. This is the fun bits, isn't it? Look at our squiggly lines like that to make her rainbow tail. This is gonna be so nice looking in the end. Alright, here we go. Just like this. Bring that on up like that. Maybe another bit like there. Right about there. Very good, everybody. And I believe her mane comes down like this. More rainbow hair like this and this. Very good. This is looking beautiful, everybody. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate all these rainbow bits with the color. Let's get to it. Rainbow Dash has a light blue body, purple mouth, and purple eyes and tail and hair stripes. Blue tail and hair stripes. Green tail and hair stripes. yellow hair and tail stripes, red hair and tail stripes, and orange hair and tail stripes. Very nice, everybody. Thank you.